Good morning. This is Bob Rapp. Welcome, Airband partners. So for Bluetan, Line, and for Ekitabu, Matt, just wanted to take you through some good work that we just completed. I want you guys to begin testing it. So you guys know the link. Karam has put up a link for the Ekitabu server. So I'm just going to download that. And when I do download that, I'm going to get a bunch of files. One of them is going to be the README, and it's pretty important to read the README, and we've made it pretty accessible. So this is going to create a web server with a Packer template using Vagrant. It's very important from a prerequisite point of view. First of all, install Packer. We have the link for that. That's going to process the JSON file that actually does our basic build. Then download Vagrant, which is going to be how we actually get the VM to start. These are both HashiCorp tools that we're using. And then we're going to do the following thing. You can do this in PowerShell or Terminal. I'm using SSH on my Mac. So we're going to make a directory called ekitabu repos, change to the directory to ekitabu repos, do the git clone command. You'll have to log in, so you'll need permission from myself or Karam. Change to that directory, then run the packer build ubuntu.json. That's building the 18.4 Ubuntu script that we've talked about, the basic LAMP stack, so the Linux, Apache, MyPHP, or MySQL PHP. Then we're going to change to VirtualBox. As you guys know, that's the Oracle thing that allows you to pretend you have different machines on your computer. That runs on Linux, Mac, Windows, whatever. So then we're going to use Vagrant, box add name web server. That's what we're calling this web server for Ekitabu and Bluetown for the Eastern Ghana deployment. Then use Vagrant to initialize the web server, Vagrant to start the web server, and then we're going to SSH. And so the file that we're actually looking at in here is called, if it's on PowerShell, if you're using it in Windows, it's called eki_env.bat or eki_env.sh. So I'm going to change to the Ekitabu. Let's see here, where's my download? And there we go, the Ekitabu master. And we're going to look at that file. We see a bunch of files here. And the one we're going to do is we're going to say bash. And then we're going to say eki_env.sh. And I've run this a few times on my machine, so it may not complete, but I wanted you to see what we do. So thanks to Karam's good work, each time we're going to do a command, you can do, by the way, you can do this interactively. You can do it the shell command directly. We actually did it turning echo on. So we're going to create, you might have noticed that now we have a file called ekitabu repos. We're going to say enter to continue clone the repository. And then it's asking for username and password. For some reason, this has not been working for me this morning on this particular machine, even though I confirmed it's not working. It failed the authentication, but I want you guys to test this anyway. So particularly Vince and Crystal, if you guys would test this, or anybody, Quinn, just make sure it works. So we would clone the repository, change the directory, create the Vagrant box, use a Packer, package it with Vagrant, start it, log into it. Good. So hey, that's really good stuff. And I think this is about the 7th time I run this on Saturday morning. I think I started about 5:30 or so. And thanks, Karam, for the good work. And I'll put this all in our source control. So this will all be up on Jira. So thanks for everybody's work. And I will see you all in email. Appreciate everybody's work. Thanks, guys.